welcome back to Postcards Texas. This is Hannah. Minasan konnichiwa, watashi wa Hannah desu. It's Postcards Texas, and we're going to be talking about what you need to know or what you need to do when moving to a new country. So, see you in a minute. When moving to a new country, or if you're thinking of moving to a new country, you need to do your research. So you write down a list of all the countries that you are interested in possibly going to or possibly working in. So, and then do your research on each country and see which one seems like the best fit for you. And that's what I did. And I saw Hong Kong has a very high higher rate for English teachers that are native speakers. So, and they pay a decent amount of money, and that was some of the factors that I thought about when moving to Hong Kong. So yeah. Also, Hong Kong is a very small place, has a lot of different things you can do there. You know, nightlife stuff, whatever. Whatever's most important to you, like research those areas and see if you would like to live in that country. Yeah. Alright. Next thing is, after researching the country, apply for jobs with that country. Easiest jobs pretty much is English teachers. If you're a native speaker, you can just get a TOEFL and which is like teaching English as a foreign language certificate that proves your literacy or that you've spent the time to study teaching English. It's usually a requirement for most English teaching jobs, so yeah. But make sure you have, that's what I did. So make sure you have a job lined up before you move abroad, because you don't want to just go over there and then you're like, okay, I'm wasting money, what do I do? It's better have a job lined up before you go over there, because sometimes your job will sponsor your visa, they'll sponsor your flight, maybe a little bit of your accommodation, so they'll give you like a little bit of a cushion for when you move to that country. And yeah. Next thing you should do is get rid of that credit card debt before you leave. It's very important, because when you move overseas, you're going to be using that credit card a lot, especially when you're not getting money that first month. So, and then you need to buy like a bed, you need to buy like dishes, whatever you need for the house, towels, you know, random stuff that you don't really think about when you move. So make sure your credit card is fully clean, because if not, you're gonna go into debt really fast. All right, I can tell you from personal experience. So yeah. All right. Next thing is you should update all your shots, all your vaccinations, medical stuff that you need to do back home, because it's a lot easier to figure that stuff out in your home country than a new country where some of them don't speak the language, or you don't know what their policies are or how to go about going to the doctor, if you need to make an appointment, if you need to have a ID of some sort or register or whatever. Might as well just do it all at home, because you know how to do it at home, and then just go over, and then once you kind of get accustomed to how everything's working, you'll figure out what you need to do. Yeah. If you are planning on like going with your dog or your pets or your family, you need to make sure you have everything lined up for them also. So like if I want to move to another country, you need to make sure, like if you have a dog, you have to make sure they have their immunizations, their blood tested, all that stuff in order for them to pass customs in the airlines and stuff. So, and then you have to make sure they have like the proper carrier, all that stuff. If they can sit in the top of the plane or the bottom of the plane, usually they'll be in the bottom of the plane, so you need to make sure you prepare your dog for everything. And yeah, and your kids, you need to make sure you have like maybe setting them up in schools or having someone being able to take care of them. And if you have a spouse, making sure they have a job. You know, just so many factors that you need to weigh in when you're moving countries. If you're single, really easy, just you. So yeah. Next is you need to have copies of your documents. So if you went to a 4-year college, you have a diploma copy, copy of your transcripts, copy of the TEFL or TESOL or whatever other qualifications you have, because your companies that you are applying to will need it, because in order to get your visa you need to prove that you have at least a bachelor's degree in most countries. So yeah, that's really, really important. Those are my tips for the things you need to know before you move overseas, the things you should do, and all that good stuff. If you have any other suggestions, please write in the comment section below of people who have moved overseas if there's anything I missed. So thank you for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up, big like, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and we will see you next week. We post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we will see you. Bye. Bye-bye.